good evening to all. So these are the another 100 questions related with the Renaissance. All the answers of these questions you have to join the live session when I will come. So don't worry. And these are the questions. I'm just reading them, and you can just see, check your preparation, and comment your answers. So let's get started. The English Renaissance is often dated. These are the four options. Who is considered the morning star of English Renaissance? Elizabethan Age is named after which work by Thomas More is critic of society? Edmund Spenser's The Fairy Queen is an The Fairy Queen book first represent the virtue of who introduced the sonnet from the English literature. Philip Sidney's Astrophil and Stella is an apology for poetry was written by Christopher Marlowe. Dr. Faustus explores the theme of which play by Marlowe feature Tumblrine. The university wit include William Shakespeare's birth year. Shakespeare's Hamlet is a in Romeo and Juliet the feuding families are in Romeo and Juliet the feuding families are which Shakespearean play featured the character of Falstaff. Shakespeare's sonnets are addressed to Ben Jonson's Volpone is a John Donne is known as Donne's The Flea uses which consist. George Herbert's The Temple is a collection of. Andrew Marvell's To His Coy Mistress is a. Francis Bacon's essays are known for their. Bacon's Novum Organum promotes the Jacobean age follow. John Webster's The Duchess of Malfia is a. Thomas Dekker is known for. The Renaissance in an English literature emphasized which event influenced the English Renaissance? The term Renaissance means. Now here's the UGC Net PYQ. Who coined the term university wit? In Sidney's Apology for Poetry, poetry is a superior to. The Shakespeare's problem play included Donne's validation. Donne's a valediction forbidding mourning uses the consist of. Spenser's Epithalmon is a. Marlowe's Hero and Leander is a. Bacon's essays are modeled after. The Renaissance sonnet sequence tradition began with. The central theme of Renaissance humanism is a. Shakespeare's The Tempest reflects. Who wrote Arcadia? The metaphysical poetry is characterized by. The Globe Theatre is associated with. Every man in his humor is by. Renaissance drama evolved from. Shakespeare's tragedies often feature. Othello, the tragic flaw is. Macbeth is influenced by. Spenser's Amourite is a. Sidney's defense of poesis argues poetry. Marlowe's blank verse is known as. Donne's Holy Sonnet deal with. Herbert's The Collar symbolizes. Marvell's The Garden praises. Bacon's Of Studies advises. Webster's plays are noted for. The Renaissance saw the rise of. Shakespeare's King Lear explores. Jonson's Mosque were performed at. The term metaphysical was coined by in the Fairy Queen. Gloriana represents Shakespeare's Antony and Cleopatra is a Duns. The canonization defends Renaissance literature reflect The Alchemist is by English Renaissance was influenced by Shakespeare's comedies often end in As You Like It features Twelfth Night is a the character Prospero appeared in Spenser's stanzas form is a Sidney's prose work is Marlowe's The Passionate Shepherd inspired Donne's poetry blends. Herbert's shaped poem include Bacon's advocated Jacobean drama is darker than The White Devil is by Renaissance women writers include The printing press helped spread blank verse was popularized by Shakespeare's Sonnet 18 compares the beloved to humanism in Renaissance literature emphasize Euphues is by Shakespeare's histories cover Richard III portrays the king as in King Lear the daughter are Johnson's comedy of humor theory is based on Donne's Death Be Not Proud is a Marvel's political poem include Bacon's idols in Novum Organum are Renaissance ended with the Spanish tragedy by Kyd influence. Sidney's criticism draw from Renaissance pastoral poetry idealizes Shepherd's calendar is by Shakespeare's late romances include Johnson's Epicurus satires. Herbert's poetry is the English Renaissance overlapped with. So these are the 100 questions and I will come another 100 questions for the Renaissance topic wise test series. Then after I will start some metaphysical questions. If you are watching me first time, subscribe this YouTube channel and we will meet in the live and discuss these questions with answers.